Hello and welcome to this short video where we're going to have a specific look at the import client routine. It's pretty simple and straightforward. When you come through to the dashboard, in the top right hand corner, if you have clients to import, then they will be shown there. Click on the list and then you'll have the list of clients which can be imported over into the new system. If you have a red thumbs down here, it means that there isn't sufficient information within the client record to import the client over. If you have a green thumbs up, then it demonstrates that there is sufficient information. You'll have a green import button over on the right hand side. So let's have a look at what happens and what you need to do if you have a red thumbs down. You click on the client name and you enter the client's Christian name and surname and their business name. And then when you have the information in that's necessary, you'll get the button which says import client. Now with this client here and with potentially a number of yours, we have existing accounts that are going to be pulled over. In the old system, the information with which we saved these accounts wasn't sufficiently granular, and this is one of the improvements that we've made. So the old system doesn't know whether it's a current account, a deposit account, a business account, or cash ISA, so on and so forth. So we click on import clients, and then we get the client through. So if we go back to the dashboard and then we have a look at our client list, show all clients, we will see Ian Blessed, the business, is now transferred over. To complete the import routine, you then need to go to the client record, have a look for their existing accounts. So just waiting for the record to load. And then within their existing accounts or their savings portfolio, we'll have the existing information. Clearly this is an old record, so these accounts have matured, but you then need to go into each one and allocate them appropriately with the type of account that they are, and save the account. So this is a normal deposit, so I can leave that as it is. Similarly, normal deposit, and leave that as it is. Now one way to check to make sure that the import routine has completed is you now try and download a report, and if the report downloads, then everything is in order. If it isn't, then it means there's an account there that hasn't been completed. So that's how easy the import clients routine is. I hope you're able to follow those instructions, but if you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us as normal.